You wake up and the first thing you feel is stiffness. The legs don't move as fast, the grip isn't as firm, and it takes a few minutes just to get steady. You stretch, take your usual pills, maybe even that magnesium supplement everyone talks about, and yet nothing changes. The mornings keep feeling heavier. But what if the secret to waking up stronger wasn't about what you do during the day, but what happens while you sleep? Every night while you sleep, your body's meant to do something incredible: repair muscle fibers, rebalance hormones, and rebuild strength. But here's the catch. Without the right nutrients, that system runs on empty. You might sleep 8 hours, but your body still wakes up tired, stiff, and weaker than before. That's where things start to shift, because there are two specific vitamins that can flip that switch back on. They're not exotic supplements or expensive powders. You probably already have them in your home. But when you take them at the right time, right before bed, they can help your body rebuild, strengthen, and wake up with more energy than you had the night before. I've seen seniors regain morning strength in just a few nights of doing this. And it starts with these two overlooked vitamins. In this video, I'll show you exactly what they are, why they work best at night, and how you can use them to feel stronger, steadier, and more confident each morning. And before we dive in, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to For Seniors Health. This channel is designed for seniors to discover how simple choices can lead to a powerful, healthy comeback. Why nighttime is the real recovery window? If there's one thing most people overlook, it's this. Your body doesn't get stronger in the gym or while you're awake. It happens quietly at night. That's when your repair system goes to work, patching the wear and tear that builds up through the day. Every step you take, every chore, every little moment of effort leaves tiny micro tears in your muscles. They're harmless, but only if your body gets the chance and the nutrients to rebuild them before morning. Think of nighttime as your personal reconstruction shift. Growth hormones rise, stress hormones drop, and blood flow moves toward your muscles and joints. That's the magic window where your body should be restoring power. But as we age, that process slows down, and without the right building blocks, it can almost stop. Ever wonder why you can sleep 8 hours yet wake up sore, stiff, or weak? It's not just age, it's missing materials. Imagine trying to rebuild a house every night, but running out of bricks halfway through. That's exactly what happens when your muscles are short on key vitamins. The repair crew is ready, but the supplies never show up. And this is where timing becomes everything. Taking the right nutrients before bed means your body isn't waiting till morning to start recovery. It's working while you rest. Here's a quick fact. Studies show your body can absorb certain vitamins up to 40% better while you sleep, which is why elite athletes obsess over nighttime recovery. The result? Stronger muscles, smoother joints, and mornings that feel lighter instead of sluggish. For seniors, this timing matters more than ever. Circulation slows with age, digestion becomes less efficient, and your cells take longer to use nutrients. Feeding your body at night gives it a head start. It's like hitting the restore button instead of just resting. And the best part? You don't need a complicated routine or expensive supplements. Just two simple vitamins, taken at the right time, can reignite your natural nighttime recovery system. But before we reveal what they are, let's clear up one popular myth that's kept millions from feeling this strength return. Why magnesium alone isn't enough? Magnesium has become a buzzword. Everywhere you look, there's a new post or ad saying it's the secret to better sleep, stronger muscles, and endless energy. And yes, magnesium helps calm your nerves, relax your muscles, and even steady your heartbeat. But here's the truth most people never hear. Magnesium alone can't rebuild what time takes from your body. It's like owning the best mattress in the world, but never getting under the blanket. Magnesium sets the stage for rest, but it doesn't do the rebuilding. Once you fall asleep, your body still needs raw materials to patch, repair, and rebuild muscle fibers. And that's where most people fall short. After 60, your body's ability to absorb and use nutrients drops. You can eat perfectly or take handfuls of supplements, but if the right vitamins aren't present when your muscles start repairing, it's like a construction crew showing up with no tools. That's one reason why so many seniors wake up feeling sore or drained even after what should have been a full night's sleep. And there's something else. Magnesium may help you fall asleep faster, but it doesn't actually drive muscle growth or collagen repair, the two most important parts of strength recovery. Without that deeper rebuilding, you get rest, but not renewal. The real progress happens when you combine relaxation with restoration, when your body is not only calm but equipped. That's why focusing on magnesium alone can leave you halfway to your goal. It's good for the mind, great for nerves, but it's not the nutrient that tells your muscles to grow or your tissues to rebuild. What you truly need are the nutrients that wake up your body's repair system, the ones that feed your muscles while you sleep, restore collagen, and bring back that morning steadiness. And the first one we're about to talk about is something most people think of as a sunshine vitamin. But it's so much more than that when you take it at night. Vitamin number one, vitamin D, the nighttime strength switch. Let's start with the first powerhouse, vitamin D. Most people call it the sunshine vitamin, but very few realize how deeply it's tied to muscle strength. Vitamin D isn't just about bones. It's the spark that tells your body how to use calcium, build protein, and even control balance and coordination. Without it, your muscles lose power quietly. You don't feel it overnight. It starts with small things. Climbing stairs feels heavier, your steps feel less stable, or your arms fatigue quicker than before. Research shows that seniors with low vitamin D levels are far more likely to struggle with weakness, balance problems, and even falls. And here's the part that surprises many. Your body naturally makes vitamin D from sunlight, but as we age, our skin becomes less efficient at producing it. Even a sunny walk may not give you enough. Add indoor lifestyles or cloudy weather, and deficiency becomes almost guaranteed. That's why timing matters. Taking vitamin D at night can actually support the repair process your muscles go through while you sleep. When your body enters its nighttime recovery phase, vitamin D helps your cells absorb amino acids, strengthen muscle fibers, and rebuild the tissues that keep you moving confidently the next morning. Think of it as flipping on your body's strength switch. Without it, your muscles can't respond fully to all the good foods or protein you eat. But when you get your levels right, your body starts turning that nutrition into real, usable power again. And here's a simple fact. Over 60% of adults over 60 are low in vitamin D, yet it's one of the easiest nutrients to restore. You can get it from foods like salmon, egg yolks, and fortified milk, or from a simple supplement taken before bed. The key is consistency. One capsule won't change you overnight, but night after night, your body rebuilds, repairs, and recharges, quietly, naturally, and powerfully. Now, if vitamin D helps rebuild muscle strength, the next vitamin we'll talk about works on what holds those muscles together, your joints, skin, and connective tissues. And it might just be the missing link between stiffness and true recovery. Vitamin number two, vitamin C, the hidden repair worker. Now let's talk about the second vitamin, vitamin C. Everyone knows it for immunity, but very few realize it's one of the most powerful repair tools your body has. Vitamin C doesn't just keep you from catching a cold, it literally helps rebuild the tissues that hold you together. Your skin, joints, tendons, and even the lining around your muscles. Think of vitamin C as the construction glue that keeps everything firm and flexible. Without it, collagen, the protein that gives your body structure, starts to weaken. And when collagen weakens, so do you. The signs creep in quietly: sore joints, slower recovery, easy bruising, or that paper-thin skin that heals slower than it used to. Here's the interesting part. Your body can't store vitamin C. What you eat or take today is used up within hours. That's why timing it at night can make a real difference. When you take it before bed, your body uses it exactly when your cells are doing their heaviest repair work. While you sleep, vitamin C teams up with amino acids to rebuild collagen fibers, reinforce joint tissue, and protect your muscles from oxidative stress, the rust that comes from daily wear. Scientists have even found that people with higher vitamin C levels recover from activity faster and maintain better muscle tone as they age. One study linked steady vitamin C intake to stronger grip strength in older adults, something that directly affects independence and balance. Another bonus, vitamin C helps your body absorb iron more effectively, which keeps your energy levels steady and prevents that mid-morning fatigue so many seniors deal with. You don't need much to get results. A handful of citrus slices, a kiwi, or a simple 500 milligram tablet before bed is enough to fuel overnight repair. Consistency matters more than dose. The magic is in giving your body what it needs every single night. Together, vitamin D builds the muscle fibers, and vitamin C strengthens the scaffolding around them. That's how you wake up steadier, stronger, and ready to move without that first thing in the morning stiffness. But when these two vitamins combine, something even more powerful happens. A nighttime synergy that multiplies their effects. Let's break down how that works next. The power of synergy. When you combine vitamin D and vitamin C, something remarkable happens. Each vitamin is powerful on its own, but together they create a system your body instantly recognizes. One strengthens the fibers, the other fortifies the framework that holds those fibers in place. It's like giving your body both the bricks and the cement to rebuild itself every night. Vitamin D tells your muscles to grow, recover, and store energy for the next day. Vitamin C protects those same muscles from the microscopic damage that naturally happens as you move, stretch, and live your life. When you pair them, the process runs smoother and faster, a steady rhythm of repair instead of stop-and-go healing. This partnership also helps your body manage inflammation, the quiet enemy behind morning stiffness and fatigue. Vitamin D works at the cellular level, keeping immune responses calm and controlled, while vitamin C clears the leftover waste from that process. It's teamwork. One calms the fire, the other cleans up the ashes. Studies show that people who maintain healthy levels of both vitamins have better balance, stronger grip, and faster muscle recovery than those who focus on only one. And it's not about megadoses or complicated timing. It's simply about giving your body what it needs together. Another benefit of this duo is absorption. Vitamin C improves how well your body uses vitamin D and certain minerals like calcium and iron. That means the nutrients from your meals actually reach your muscles, bones, and joints instead of being wasted. Think of it as harmony. D builds, C protects, and your body wakes up thankful for the teamwork. You may not notice huge changes after one night, but within weeks, mornings start to feel lighter, movement easier, and strength a little more reliable. And if you've ever wondered why some people your age seem to have endless energy while others struggle to get going, this balance could be the reason. The secret isn't luck. It's giving your body the right pair of tools before bed. In the next section, we'll go beyond muscles and talk about what this same combination does for your immune system, energy, and longevity. Because stronger mornings are just the beginning. Strength beyond muscle, immunity, energy, and aging. By now, you've seen how vitamins D and C rebuild strength and stability. But the truth is, their power goes far beyond muscle. When you feed your body these nutrients at night, you're not just supporting recovery, you're strengthening the systems that decide how you age. Let's start with immunity. As we get older, the immune system doesn't bounce back the way it used to. Even a small cold can drag on for weeks, leaving you weaker and slower to recover. Vitamin D acts like the general of your immune army, teaching your cells when to defend and when to stand down. Meanwhile, vitamin C equips those soldiers with the shields they need. Together, they help you fight off illness faster and keep inflammation from turning into the kind of chronic pain that sneaks up in the joints, knees, or lower back. Then there's energy. Many people think low energy is just part of aging, but most of the time it's not age. It's poor nutrient signaling. When vitamin D levels drop, your cells can't use oxygen efficiently, and that's why even a short walk can leave you drained. Vitamin C fixes the other half of the problem by helping your red blood cells carry that oxygen smoothly. The combination means better endurance, steadier energy, and fewer midday crashes. There's another quiet benefit too. Mood. Both these vitamins influence the brain chemicals that control calmness and focus. That's why many people notice they wake up not just stronger, but clearer, more balanced, and more positive. It's a subtle but powerful shift, and it comes from supporting your body instead of fighting it. Think of it this way. Your muscles are the visible sign of strength, but your immune system, energy, and mood are the foundation underneath. When those are solid, aging stops feeling like decline and starts feeling like control. And the best part? You don't have to change your whole lifestyle to get there. A few smart choices before bed can reset your body's repair mode in ways most people never realize. Let's talk about exactly how to do that next. The smart, safe, and simple way to take these vitamins for the best overnight results. How to take them the smart way. Now that you know how these two vitamins work together, the real question is, how do you take them the right way so your body actually uses them? The good news is it's simple. You don't need complicated stacks, powders, or fancy routines. Just a few smart habits before bed can make all the difference. Start with timing. Your body does its heaviest rebuilding between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. That's when growth and repair hormones are highest. So taking your vitamins about 30 minutes before bed gives your cells exactly what they need, right when that window opens. For vitamin D, pair it with a small evening snack that has a little healthy fat, maybe a spoon of yogurt, a few almonds, or half an avocado. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, which means it absorbs best when there's a bit of fat in your system. Aim for about 1,000 to 2,000 IU unless your health coach has advised otherwise. For vitamin C, you can take it right alongside your D, or with a light fruit like kiwi, orange slices, or a few berries. Because it's water-soluble, your body absorbs it easily and puts it straight to work. About 250 to 500 milligrams is plenty for most adults. You can go higher through food if you prefer natural sources. And remember, consistency beats dosage. One big dose once in a while won't move the needle, but a steady nighttime habit tells your body, I'm ready to rebuild. Within a few weeks, many people notice their mornings start feeling easier. Less joint stiffness, smoother movement, more stable energy. Also, make sure you're hydrating through the evening. Water helps vitamins travel through your system and supports muscle recovery overnight. If you're taking other supplements or medications, space these by about an hour just to keep digestion gentle. You don't need a total life overhaul, just this quiet nighttime routine that helps your body do what it's designed to do: repair itself. Think of it as giving your body permission to rebuild instead of forcing it to push through fatigue. And when you make this a part of your nightly rhythm, that's when the real change begins. Not just stronger mornings, but stronger days. And there you have it. Two simple vitamins that can completely change the way your body feels when you wake up. Not a magic pill, not an overnight miracle, just a smart way to work with your body instead of against it. When you give your cells what they've been missing, strength, energy, and balance slowly return, the way nature intended. Think of every night as an opportunity. While the world sleeps, your body has a chance to rebuild, recharge, and reset. Vitamin D gives your muscles the command to grow. Vitamin C protects and repairs what you've already built. Together, they're the quiet team behind every strong, steady morning. If you start tonight and stay consistent, you might notice small but powerful changes. Climbing stairs feels easier, your hands feel steadier, your mornings start brighter. And maybe for the first time in a long while, you wake up feeling like your body is on your side again. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these two vitamins have you tried before? Or which one will you start tonight? Leave your answer in the comments below. I personally read every single one. We're building a community here for strong comebacks, and I'd love for you to be part of it. Subscribe to 4Seniors Health and hit the bell icon. This channel is designed for seniors to discover how simple daily choices can lead to powerful, healthy comebacks. If this video helped you, give it a like and share it with someone you care about.